Hey guys and gals, and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, this is really exciting for me. This is my first ever unboxing video, and oh my god, I love watching unboxing videos. So I have literally subscribed to some really cool boxes lately. I've subscribed to Lookfantastic, I've subscribed to LookIncredible, I've subscribed to Glossybox, and I did subscribe to another one. It was called my Glam Squad, but honestly I'm in the process of cancelling that subscription right now because basically I'm still waiting for July's box, and it is now Saturday the 8th of August. July's box hasn't turned up. I had the same problem last month with June, so it just ain't worth it. Whereas the one I have today is my Lookfantastic, and how reliable is this? It literally came like days ago, so just so on the ball, and that box was slacking. This is not my usual backdrop today, obviously. I'm in my natural surroundings in my living room. That is purely because I couldn't be bothered setting up today. I'm going to be really real. I have got natural lighting on me right now. None of my light, none of my backdrop, none of my nothing is set up. Honestly, I've had days like this in lockdown, kind of where I'm so used to doing nothing that I don't want to do nothing. So like I don't feel motivated to get up and set up and film a full-on video. There's just been days like that, and it is what it is. It's kind of a little bit of a rut, and I do need to get myself out of it sometimes. Every day is not the same, but some days that's how I feel, and it's one of them days today. I've been out and I come home and I was just like, oh, I want to film and I need to film because this box has been in my room all week and I've not even thought about filming. But do I want to set up? No, I don't. And so I just thought, you know what, I'm just going to sit down, I'm going to strip it back, and I'm just going to be really real about it. And yeah, so if you do want to see what I got in my August 2020 Lookfantastic beauty box, please go ahead and just keep on watching. Okay, so this is how the Lookfantastic boxes look. They're gorgeous. They're this beautiful coral shade, and then it says Lookfantastic Beauty Box in white writing, and we have this light pink little logo here with a white B on it. Honestly, they're just really simple yet classy and effective, and I really applaud the colour choices. This it's just so girly and appealing, and I love it. So when we open up this box, straight away we are greeted with the booklet on what is within the box, and then we have this pink tissue paper and a little sticker. It smells really good, like really good. Okay, so this is how the box looks. We have these pink little springy bits everywhere. I love these. I like when I get beauty boxes, I save stuff like this, you know, for like birthdays and occasions, and you can see the products just splattered within the box. So the first thing that we have in the box is this Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is a mineral blush in the shade Amaretto. Okay, so the description of this, please excuse my pronunciations because there's a word I can't pronounce in this. So this is creamy, non-comedogenic. I don't know if that is me saying it right. Comedogenic, is that a word? It basically means, I have googled it by the way, it means that it doesn't clog your pores in any way, shape or form. So creamy, non-comedogenic, and recommended by both makeup artists and dermatologists. This mineral blush will bring a healthy flush of colour to your face whilst looking completely natural. Now it says how to use. Tap a small amount of product into the lid, swirl a blush brush into the product, tapping off any excess and apply to your cheeks and tip of the nose for a rosy glow. I've not done that trend, you know, where people blush on the nose, but that is such a big trend on TikTok, and it's really like cute. You're also gonna have to ignore my nails. I was meant to get my nails done today, but I went for lunch with my friends instead, so I'm getting them done next week. This is the shade here. Honestly, when you look at this in the tub, it looks quite orange and almost like a peach, but on the back of your hand it's much more like a rosy pink blush. This is a really nice kind of English rose type of shade. I absolutely love that colour, and I'm actually really excited to give that a go on my skin now I've seen it. The next product in the box is this one right here. It says this is a serum for radiance, complexion and correcting. Now it says this is a worldwide cult favourite, and for a good reason. This cordial face serum is packed full of vinephrine, patented by Cordial themselves, and 62 times more effective than vitamin C. Okay, that's interesting. I use vitamin C oil, like a vitamin C serum kind of thing, all the time on my face just for a glowy radiant look. So 62 times more effective, that is more than half. That is a crazy claim that I will be testing. And is scientifically proven to lighten dark spots in just 4 weeks. So how to use: apply before bed onto cleansed skin, massaging into the face and neck. Now this is a very small product, you only get 10 mils of product in this. However, it says that just 10 mils of this is worth £15.33. That is madness, absolute madness. But 62 more times effective than vitamin C. I'm going to have to try this out because I am all for a gradient glowy looking skin. So I'm excited for you, Hund. Cordially, is that how I say it? Cordially. Oh my god, I've been calling it wrong. Now the next thing that we have is an Eyeko mascara. By the looks of things, mine is not all that put together. Now, going by the book, there was 2 different mascaras that you may have gotten. Now, it says the Black Magic Lash Alert Mascara. You just get 4 mils of product in this. It's worth £10 just for 4 mils. Now, it says get long and volumized lashes with the help of your Eyeko mascara with a curved brush to coat each and every lash with product. No smudging, flaking or crumbling, just black fluttery lashes for up to 12 hours. Now it says how to apply. Start at the root of your lash, brush upwards while slightly moving the brush from side to side. Don't forget the tops of your lashes for added drama. Now it looks like there was 2 that you may have got. So some people may have got the Black Magic Mascara Drama and Curl, and some got the Lash Alert Mascara Wake Up and Go. So these are the 2 here. It looks like I got this one. So Wake Up and Go. I really wish I would have got the Drama and Curl, but I didn't. This is how it looks, just really cute packaging. I suppose one like this is really nice, isn't it, for kind of just going on holiday if you're traveling. Now that is a nice brush. That's definitely like the type of brush that I do like to use with a mascara. It doesn't seem like there's much product picking up on the brush, to be honest. So I will have to try this out and see how it performs. Now the next product that we have is by a brand called Ahava. It's a Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion, and underneath it says Sea Kissed. Now this is how it looks. We get 40 mils of product here. Now it says the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion is worth £8 for 40 mils, so it's not too expensive. Deeply hydrating and fast absorbing, these Ahava body lotions work to soften and smooth your skin from head to toe. Filled with minerals and antioxidants, your body will feel revitalised, refreshed and restored. Perfect for sensitive skin, that's good. Whilst I have normal skin, I got really sensitive skin, so that is good to know. Ahava, I don't know. Free from parabens and harsh synthetic ingredients. Sorry, love. I'll get a flight. Oh, I am sorry. I love you, my dear. My dog was asleep and she's just like, hello, love. You okay, baby? I want to go back and see. Good night, my queen. I love you. She is every and more. Now for how to use, it says apply generously to slightly damp skin after after a bath or a shower. Now again, it looks like there was 2 options that you may have received in these. So some people just received the plain old mineral body lotion and others received the Sea-Kissed one. Now I don't know what the difference is. I don't know if it's maybe got a scent to it, so I'm a sniff. There is a scent to it, but it's a really light scent, so I can definitely see that this would be good for sensitive skin because it's not strongly scented. I don't really know what the difference is, because whilst there's a little bit of a scent, there's not much scent whatsoever. The next thing that we received is by a brand called Mielle. This is the Sun Drench Body Wash, and this is 30 ml of product. Now this was only £3.15 for 30 ml, so really affordable and really cheap. It's got like a yellowy tinge. Oh, it's actually got some gold glitters in. I don't know if you can see that, but it has a sheen and some glitter. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh guys, I don't know what it smells like. It smells like a bath bomb that I used to pick up in Lush. And I don't know what one it was. Oh my god, it's got like a orange tangerine kind of a scent to it, but it smells like a Lush bath bomb. And I honestly, I don't know the name of it. I really don't know the name of it. I've not bought bath bombs from Lush in the longest time. I do love their bath bombs, just they're a little bit pricey. So I've not bought them in forever, but there's a bath bomb I don't even know what it looks like, and I don't know what it's called, but I smell it and I pick it up every time, and it smells like whatever that is. It's the most gorgeous, refreshing, zingy, orangey, lemony, citrusy smell. Like, I can't narrow down the smell, it's just zingy and citrusy. Oh my god, that's unreal. That is that is unreal. It says gentle golden micellar cleanser, but it's a body wash, so it cleanses the body. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. I cannot wait to get a bubble bath later with this. Now it says with a delightful, okay, yeah, this makes sense. With a delightful citrusy scent, definitely citrusy, and subtle shimmer, okay, that's the glitter, running throughout. Deeply hydrate your skin with this Mayo body wash formulated with Indian fig extract and Monk's pepperberry to give an instant soothing effect for both the mind and body. Okay, we could all do with some of that in this lockdown. How to use, lather onto your skin in the shower and feel rejuvenated for the day ahead. Like, honestly, this one makes me feel good about the day ahead. This smell is unreal. Oh, it's made me want to go to Lush and find out what that bath bomb is that I used to pick up, because I want to drop it in my bath. And the final thing that was in my beauty box this month is the Percy & Reed Hair Perfectly Perfecting Wonder Balm. You get 30 ml of product. The packaging's gorgeous on this. Look at that. Oh, look at you, pretty little Miss Ting. I don't know what this is, so let's go and read what it is. So this is worth £8. Okay, £8 for 30 ml. Ooh. Okay, honey. A miracle primer for your hair. Sorry, what? What? A primer for your hair. Guys, I'm not very good with hair. I literally just, I curl mine all the time and brush out the curls so it gives me like this wavy effect. I don't know a thing about hair. I've had mine done. Can you tell? No, didn't think so. A miracle primer for your hair. Use alone or before styling to enhance your do. This Percy & Reed balm makes hair more manageable, as well as adding moisture and shine and definition. Ha! How to use, work a small amount through towel dried hair from root to tip. A primer for hair. Huh. I don't know what to say. I didn't know that was a thing. I mean, I'll definitely try it out. I just can't imagine what it's gonna do. Like, I understand it's primer for your face is to like minimize pores, or they do all different things, but it doesn't say what the actual like root thing of this is to do, just to keep your dew in place longer. So yeah, I don't know what to expect from it. I'm going to have to do a little bit of research on this, see what people seem to think about it, how they use it, what they find it's best for, etc, etc. And I will have to give that a go. They do at the back give us a sneak peek for the next month's box. So in the September box, the sneak peek is a 15ml of the Ell Xx Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and it is an anti-aging cream. I can tell you straight off the bat, I will not be keeping that cream. My mom and my nana are Ell Xx crazy and they obsess over the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Honestly, right now, I don't need anti-aging creams. I'm 23. They are obviously a lot older than me and they love it. And honestly, I can see me with this for 2 minutes before it gets swooped away from me. But no, that is really good to put inside a beauty box. And it says that it is worth £30 just for the 15ml. And I can see that because my mum and my nan pick up the 100ml. And I'm sure it's something like ridiculous, like £120. Honestly, I don't know why I'm looking at the dog for backup. Like, I feel like it's something really stupid like that. I'm gonna Google it. I stand corrected. It's £155 for 100ml. So my nan and my mum literally swear by it. They love it. So that 15ml with £30, obviously I'll give over to my mum. I'm not going to be mean. I know it's like a favourite thing ever. But yeah, what a really, really good product to include in one of these boxes. So thank you guys so much for watching. I do really hope that you did enjoy this boxing. If you also got a Lookfantastic box, you will have to let me know if you got all the same items as me or if you got any of the alternatives and if you're excited to use them. Have you had an experience with beauty boxes in the past? Are there any I'm missing out on? I don't know. You are going to have to let me know. I am waiting for my Glossybox to come. It is their beta box month, so I will definitely be doing that. I'm waiting for my LookIncredible to come, so I'll also be doing that one. I think that's all I'm signed up for as of right now. Like I said, I'm signed up for that Glam Squad one, but I'm not going to film any videos of that because they just come too late, and like I said, I'm trying to cancel that subscription. But Lookfantastic, LookIncredible, Glossybox, I am loving their boxes at the moment, and I will be filming unboxes every month now. So yeah, I hope that you guys are into that type of thing. If you are, let me know. And if there's any beauty boxes that you think I'm missing out on, let me know in the comment section below, because I love getting surprises every single month. Turn up on my door. It's like Christmas every month all over again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You can hit the one below. Hit the one in the shape of a heart over here, or you can hit the one at the end of the video in the form of my big face, and I'll be very thankful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.